Multitasking on the new Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra is simple. The phone lets two apps run at the same time using split screen, and it also supports pop-up view for a floating window. Here's how to use both features. Start by opening any app, for example, a video or social media app. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the bottom left corner. Then tap the app icon and select Open in Split Screen View. Now choose the second app to run alongside it. The display will split into two sections so both apps appear side by side. The divider in the middle can be dragged to resize either app depending on which one needs more space. From the menu bar, switching to a different app is also quick and easy. Rotating the phone to landscape mode makes the layout even better for watching videos while browsing or messaging. Another option is pop-up view. From the same menu, an app can open in a floating window that moves around the screen, making multitasking even more flexible. That's how split screen and pop-up view work on the Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra, making multitasking fast and convenient. Thanks for your time.